Yeah, hi everyone. Good evening. Can someone please confirm? Is my voice clear?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, fine. So let us start the session. So thank you so much for joining the session. So we'll start the session. Let me just introduce myself. So I do have 12 plus years of real-time experience, and I have experience work with different regions of clients, and also have experience with work with the different sector of projects as well. Like healthcare sector and manufacturing and the banking sector and also the different sector. And I do have experience providing training as well. We almost have 4 plus years of experience. So this is all about me. Let us jump into the topic. Actually, we'll understand first. We will understand the importance of the CRM. So we are going to learn Microsoft Dynamics CRM. By the way, so first we will see what purpose do we use the CRM. We will understand first. So for any kind of business these days, so it is expected to use the system, digital system. So running a business manually, it's a difficult in present generation. So system is mandatory. So if you see to make success in any kind of business, what is the important thing? The business sales should be strong, right? If we have good number of sales, then the business will get success. So if you want to get good number of sales, what is the important thing?
Marketing.
Yeah, we should have proper marketing strategies as well. Even though if you're providing quality service or quality products, you should have proper branding promotion. If, then only you will get the much number of sales. And the second thing is to get the referral customers, you need to provide proper service to the existing customer, quality or service to the existing customer, so that you will get the referral customers as well. So basically, to get success in any kind of business, there are three things are mandatory. First thing is you have to maintain the proper service to existing customers, and you also need to follow the proper marketing strategies to promote your brand. And the third one, you have to maintain the quality, like sales. Also, you have to manage. You have to use the system to manage your sales as well. So Microsoft, what they are doing, they come up with a ready-made tool which is suitable for any kind of business, from small scale business to large scale business. So they have introduced three modules: sales, service, and marketing. These three modules contain some generic features, so which is suitable for any kind of business. On top of it, they also given provision to customize the product as per the business needs. So whatever the generic features they are giving, which may suitable for any kind of business or may not suitable. So if it is not suitable, what they will do, they can customize the product. So during our course, what we are going to learn, let us understand first. So to understand that, I will take simple example. Let's say, if you're trying to purchase a shirt, and if you're trying to purchase a ready-made shirt, so you visit the shopping, right? And you search for a number of shirts, and let's say one of the shirt you liked it, but the measurements are not suitable as per your body. So what you do generally, you will go for the alteration. Am I right? So who will help you to do alteration? Tyler will help, right? Generally. So Tyler, what he will do, he will take the measurements as per your requirement. Then he will do the alteration. So likewise, Microsoft also giving the some ready-made tool to any kind of business. These ready-made tool may suitable or may not suitable for the any kind of business. So they also giving option to customize the product. To do the customizations, So they need a developer. Let's say I'm running a business. I wanted to use Microsoft Dynamics CRM to run my business. But the tool, what features they have given by Microsoft, which is not suitable for my business. So I want to customize the product as per my business requirements. So what I will do, I will like in our example, how we approach Tyler, same way we have to approach to the developers who knows the product functionality, how to customize and done. So how Tyler will do the customizations? He will learn first, right? He will learn and he will start doing the work. Similar way, during our course, we are trying to learn the how to customize the product and how to implement any business requirements. That is what we are trying to learn in our course. Okay, so I will show you the application navigation first. Then we will start doing one of the simple example. So generally, so Microsoft will give us the trial CRM account to practice. So whatever we are learning during our course, you need to do some assignments. Then only you will get proper knowledge. So Microsoft will give us the trial CRM account, so which will work for the 30 days. So after 30 days, you can also create another trial. So you will understand during our course what is the next step at the time of expiry. So what I'm doing, I already have the trial CRM. I will also give one recorded video how to create a trial CRM. You can create by yourself and do the practice. So I will show you the application navigation first. So let me just connect to the CRM. So the benefit of this course is whatever you are working here, the trial CRM you're working, right? Same environment, same setup. You also get in the real time as well. So there is no change. Similar thing you will get in the real time as well. So once you log in, so you can see the screen like this. So you have to choose Dynamic 365 Custom. You have to work in this app. This one we will call it as a model driven apps. So you will understand in our further classes. Since it is at day one, so we cannot learn all the topics in day one itself. So just go as per the like whatever I mentioned. So we'll just learn very basic things to understand about the product and all. So you just choose the Dynamic 365 Custom. We have to work here for now. So once you select this one, so I will just explain the some application navigations and the terminologies. So these things, whatever you can see left side, these are all entities. We will call it as a entities. And in CRM terminology, see, so we can navigate to different kind of entities here. Let's say these are the different entities: purple, customer information, and leads, opportunities. These are all different entities. And if I click here, sales, service, marketing. So like I mentioned, Microsoft introduced a ready-made tool which will come up with the three modules: sales, service, marketing. So whatever we can see here, all these navigations in CRM terminology, we will call it as a sitemap. So today what we do, let's say if I click this settings icon, so like how Tyler is used to customize the our shed, he will use the mission, right? To customize the shed, he has to use the mission. In similar way, to customize the CRM, as a developer to customize the CRM, we have to use the solution. There is a concept called solution. We have to use the solution. So what I'm going to do, I will take very simple example so that you will understand what kind of work we will get in the CRM. Yeah, just give me 2 minutes. Let me just navigate to solution. So what we do, so we'll try to implement one system to the CRM. Let's say, so I'm taking very, very simple example. Let's say SSC board. SSC board is there, right? SSC board, they wanted to use the digital system, CRM system, to manage their day-to-day activities like their data. So generally, SSC board, what information they will store? They will store the student marks, right? SSC student marks. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to gather the data, what kind of data they will store. Uh, so what kind of information generally they will have?
Student name, roll
Yeah,
number,
student name and student roll number, and then
and subject wise marks.
Marks.
yeah, subject wise marks they will have, right?
Yes.
Let's say first language marks.
Second.
So what else they will have? Grade,
Results.
grade, and then results, and then secured marks, secured marks,
Set.
and also the secured percentage. Yeah, I think should be fine. So let's say in the CRM, if you are trying to set up these details in the CRM, so we do have two components in the CRM. One is entity, the other one is fields.
Fields.
So we have to create this one as an entity in the CRM, then all these information as a fields under that entity. So I will show you how to create and all. So here what we are trying to do, you understand the requirement so that you will have some clear like understanding. Let's say what we are trying to do now. We are trying to set up CRM system for SSC board to store their production data or business data. So generally what kind of information they will have, we are just gathering here. So now we will set up the CRM system. Let's see. So like in our example, we have taken example, right? Generally the Tyler, how did he use mission to customize the shirt? Similar way, we have to use the solution to customize the system as a developer. So how to create a solution? Let me just show you the steps. So once you are on this page, Dynamic 365 custom, you have to work on the Dynamic 365 custom app only. So the reason why we have to work, you will understand in the further classes. So once you are on this page, then here you can see the settings icon. Just click on the settings icon and click on the advanced settings. So you will be landed on this page. So just click on the settings and choose the solutions, and you click on new. You have to create a new solution first. So we are trying to set up the solution. So just create with your name for now. CRM customizations. And then here publisher is mandatory. Just click look up and scroll down. Look for more records. And the publisher also you create new one. So the importance of the solution and also importance of publisher and all you will understand in the further classes. These things you just follow as a some basics instructions which we need to follow. The purpose you will understand in the further classes. The prefix you just follow your name, just use three characters as per your name. You can choose whatever you want. Then click on save and close. Just provide the version number as like this. Then click on the save. So our solution is ready now. Yeah, this is our solution. Our solution is ready. So we are ready to customize the product. So what we do, like as per our requirement, we are trying to set up system for the SSC board. So you click on the entities, click on the new one here. So I just name it as SSC marks list, copy, and then this one area that display this entity, there are multiple modules here, right? Sales, service, marketing, training. So the purpose of this one is, let's say if I choose sales, it will show under the sales in the sitemap. If I choose service, it will show under the service. So you can choose whatever you want. So I will come back to the solution. So you can choose whatever you want. For now, I'm just selecting it as sales. Then click on save and close. The backend system will create some basic fields and all. So it will take time. Just allow system to create. Yeah, so it's a created entity is created. Then you just expand here. You will navigate back to the solution, expand this one. So this is our entity. If you expand this one, so we can see the fields here. So as soon as we create the entity, system will create some fields out of the box fields. Then uh, yeah, these are the few basic fields which are required for the system internal operations. So we will create the our own fields, whatever we listed here. So we just note it down in the notepad, right? So whatever we listed here, we will create these fields. So as soon as we create the entity, generally the name field will be created by system. So you have to use that name field. So in for the student name, I will use this name field, and the remaining all we have to create the custom fields. So I will create one after another. Student roll number. So I click on new. Just click on the new and create a new fields. So generally student roll number, what data we will enter. So in the CRM, while creating the fields, there are different data types like currency and option set. Option set means drop down choice field. We can also call it as two options and the whole number. If you want to allow only numbers, so we have to choose whole number. So kind of different type of fields are there. So for the roll number, I'm going to use single line of text. Single line of text means it's like a string. So so I will just
How you are getting that ASK underscore?
this one as based on the publisher. Like while creating the solution, we have given publisher, right? So in the publisher, I have
Okay.
given prefix as ASK. So whatever prefix you are giving, system will follow same prefix for all the customizations.
Okay.
So here we will have the three options. First one is save, second one save and close, third one is save and create new. So if I click save, the field will be created and the window still open here. Yeah, same window will open. If I click save and close, the field will be created and this window will be closed. And if I click save and create new, so the field will be created, then it will open the new window to create the new field. So since I have the few more fields, I just selected the third option. So we'll create the other fields as well. So what is the expected values in the marks? What data type we can choose generally for to store the marks? What kind of data we will enter?
Integer.
So integer, right? So integer means in the CRM we have to use the whole number.
Whole number.
So generally the marks will be start from what is the minimum value and the maximum value.
0. Minimum value 0.
And maximum value.
100.
Yeah, so likewise you have to provide. Then I will choose third option again. Save and create new. So we'll create all the fields first. So I will follow the same data type.
So all the fields, whichever starts with the ASK underscore, that we can that are custom fields, right?
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the one of the indicator to identify the custom fields.
Uh, what this IMA mode should.
So here we have the different properties. These all properties we will understand in the further
Oh,
classes.
Okay, okay.
So, like mentioned, since it is a day one, you may have a number of questions, but just focus on the like content what we are trying to learn. So, during our course, you will get a clear understanding regarding all properties.
Okay, sure.
So, what is the expected value? Total secured marks. Is this whole number or decimal? What will be the minimum and maximum value? Total secured marks, what will be the minimum and maximum value? Minimum should be
0,
0
Minimum
and the
100
maximum,
into
600.
whatever.
yeah, 600. And then total secured percentage,
It should be in fraction. So
total secured percentage. So we will use the decimal.
Decimal number.
Yeah. So what is the minimum and maximum value?
0.
0 to 100 should be. And we will create a grade and result as well. So what is expected data type for the grade?
Option set.
string. Oh,
No, should be option set. Option set is nothing but a drop down.
Dra-
Yeah. So here if I scroll down, like if you see here field requirement, so we can see options, right? Optional,
Yes.
business required. These kind of fields we will generally call it as a drop down, but in CRM we will call it as a option set. So this kind of field we are going to we are expecting for the grade as well. So what we do, we select data type as option set, just scroll down. So what kind of options we will have for the grade? Is
Grade
only
grade A, B, C.
A, B, C, right? So to
Yes.
add the options, you just click on this plus icon. So I'm going to add 3 items, then select this item and change the as per the requirement.
what is the value that it has? Like label we mentioned as A, B, C, but it has some value also.
Yeah, label will show to the users. So value is for the internal operations. So when we are dealing the coding related topic, we will use that value actually. So you will understand in the further classes that one. So result also we will use the same data type. So I'm going to add the 2 options here, pass and fail. It's a kind of unique identifier for each option. The text, there may be possibilities to have the duplicate options. Let's say if I choose the same, system will allow. But this one is the unique identifier for the value is the unique identifier for each option. So we are done with the fields now. So what I will do, so we have just customized the product. We just created entities and fields. So if I go here, let's say if I go here and if I try to refresh, if I try to search here, so it will not show the SSC marks because even though if you selected the here, let's say I selected already, but we did not publish. We have to publish, then only system will show under the sales. So until unless if you're not publishing, system will not show. So let me just publish, select the entity and click on the publish. Whatever the customizations we are doing, publish is mandatory. Then only it will reflect to the users. So who are the end users for SSC marks? Let's say we are building a system for SSC board. So who are the end users here? Who will use this system? Who are the end users?
Students.
Students are the not end users,
SSC
right?
board.
Employees, like SSC
SSC board.
board employees, right?
Yes.
So SSC board employees, they are trying to enter the students' marks data into the system. So SSC board employees will be the end users in the system. So I'm trying to refresh here. Only developer will get access to customize the product. So end users will not get access to customize the product. That is one thing you have to understand. So end users, what they will do, whatever we customized, we have created entity and we have chosen to show under the sales, right? Then they will log in. The employees will log in with their own accounts. As soon as they log in, they can see the entity. Yeah, we can see now. After I publish, I can see the entity here. No data available because we just now created the entity. That's the reason we don't have any data. So what we do to to insert the marks list, to create the students information, just click on the new button here. So we can insert the students marks. Like we have only name here, but we have created few more fields, right? The fields are not showing here because we did not added it on the form. So today we are going to uh, discuss about the three components in the CRM. One is entity, the second one is fields, third one is form. So we'll try to understand what is entity, what is fields, what is form at basic level. Entity is nothing but if you want to store any business data, generally we will create entities, and each business data we will have different kind of information has to be stored. So we'll create a fields, individual fields under that entity. Then we have to add those fields on the form. So we'll see how to customize the form now. So to customize the product, the thing is you can do it only in the solution. You navigate to the solution. Let me just explain again solution navigation steps. So click on the settings here and advanced settings. How to open a solution or how to create a solution. I'm just trying to explain again. So during the initial days, you will get confused only with the navigation, system navigation. No worries. So by practicing multiple times, you will understand easily. Yeah, just click on settings and solutions. So you already created a solution, just you have to work on the same solution. So during our course, whatever assignments I am giving, you have to work on the only single solution. You no need to create multiple solution for each assignment. The reason behind you will understand in the further classes. For now, just create it under the single solution. Just expand the entity, and here we can see the forms. Click on the form, and here we can see different type of forms. So we have to work on the main form. Just click on the main form. So here we can see only two fields. That's a reason for end user also. It is showing only two fields. So whatever fields we have created just now, So we can add it on the form. So I will drag and drop here. Just simply drag and drop. Yeah, so then click on save and then publish. You have to save first, then only you have to publish. Save and close. Then again, you don't need to publish entity because we already published the form. So just navigate back to the end user screen. So this is end user screen. Just refresh the page. So you try to do refresh multiple times because so we just customize the form, right? Sometimes it won't show because of browser caching. So if it is not showing, what you can do the force refresh. Force refresh means we don't get the browser cache issues. So how we can do the force refresh? Just right click here and select inspect element. Just like you have to open the DevTools, and here the reload icon is there, right? Refresh icon. Just right click here now. So you have three options. You just choose third options, empty cache and hard refresh. So you just choose third option so that the changes will come from the server. Yeah, we can see now. So let's say, just assume you're working under the SSC port and you requested me to customize the system, set up the system. So I did set up and I have given to you. So as a end user, what are all the issues have you noticed here? Is there any issue with this screen?
Permission issues.
Sorry,
Permission issues.
what permission issue here?
Like inserting the data.
No, we can insert, right? It's allowing.
Okay.
There is no issue. It's allowing. I will create one record and
Sequence.
Sequence.
yeah, sequence is one of the issue.
Not in proper order.
Yeah, not in proper order. That is fine. Yeah, first that is first issue, and one more issue is there.
And some mandatory fields.
Yeah, so can we let's say I am creating one student. So can we create a student without any marks? Is it valid record?
No.
No, right? So, but in this case, system will allow. Let's say, let me just create first. So I created one student. So I'm trying to create another student just by click on new. So what I will do, I will just enter the name and click on save. So I managed to save the record. But is this valid without marks?
No.
Invalid, right? For SSC board. So we have to restrict the system. We should not accept the invalid data into the system. So wherever the possibility is there, so we have to provide validations as a developer so that system will capture the clean data without any issue. So what we can do to avoid this kind of issues, so we can set all the fields as a mandatory wherever it is possible. Let's see how to set a field as mandatory, and also we will adjust the sequence. So you're working as a like let's say if you're going as an experienced candidate, if you're doing this kind of mistake, so it's not like your team lead easily identify you're not a genuine person. So you make sure you avoid these kind of beginner mistakes. So by end of our course, you'll definitely work as like a experienced candidate. Throughout our course, you will get almost 400 plus assignments. So if you are doing assignments properly, and your assignments also monitored by our team, and you will get comments actually what kind of mistakes, what mistakes you have implemented, and how do you have to rectify the mistakes, so that you will understand how to work in the real time. So let us fix the issues first. The first one is we will audit the sequence is wrong. The second one is we have to set field property as mandatory. So to customize the any kind of system, we have to work on only in the solution. So just navigate to the solution, same steps. If it is already open, you can simply go to the solution. Just open the main form again, expand the entity, then select the forms, main form. So first one is I'm trying to adjust the sequence in right sequence. So this one is simple one, just drag and drop. Second language English. Yeah, should be fine now. Then click on save and publish. So sequence issue, we fixed it. And the second one is mandatory. So the mandatory one, we have to do it from the field, not from the form. It's like a field related. So just expand the entity and select fields. So whatever the fields you want to set it as a mandatory, open that field. So here there is a property field requirement level. So if you set it as optional, it is optional. And if you set it as a business required, so it will act as a mandatory field. So for the mandatory fields, system will indicate with this indicator like symbol, mandatory symbol. And the third one is business recommended. Business recommended means it is recommended to enter, but it's not a mandatory, it's not optional. It's a user choice. It's a recommended for the business. So I'm going to choose business required, save and close. So you similar way you have to do it for the all other fields. For now, I'm just I will do only for two fields. So while creating the fields itself, if you already know the field should be mandatory, you can set mandatory option during creation itself. Then publish the entity. So you make sure you set mandatory for all the fields. So the sequence is correct now. So this is one of the very simple example. So I'm trying to show you the what kind of work we will get. So today, did we implement any code? Did we implement any coding?
No.
No, right? Just like drag and drop existing product we just customized.
Yes.
In the same process, the 80% of 70 to 80% of the task are business requirements, we can do it in the similar manner. It's like a low coding technology. Only 20 to 30% we will have the coding related concepts. So for the CRM is a product actually. Like Android mobile is a product, right? Generally, Android mobile will be available from the different companies, Samsung, Oppo, OnePlus. Similar manner, CRM also product and which is available from the different companies. So these are all the competitors: Zoho CRM, Salesforce CRM, Oracle CRM, SAP CRM. So what we are trying to learn, we are trying to learn Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So which is the product is owned by Microsoft. Microsoft is the one of the largest company in IT industry, and they are investing huge amount to the this product. This product is already having huge number of client base, so which is success in the market. So the benefit of this course is the competition is less compared with other technologies, because the people this technology, so many people don't know actually, and we don't have much trainers outside. That's the added advantage to this technology. So whoever is trying to enter the IT industry, generally they will choose common technologies like full stack developer or Python or like DevOps. These kind of common technologies they will choose. So this is the that's the reason we do have less competition and we have more cost. And so we do have some unique points. Yes, Andy.
Yeah, one query, Andy. Is this a SaaS application or on-premise?
So CRM, it's a cloud-based. Microsoft offering two kind of systems actually. One is on-premise, one is online. So we are going to discuss about the online, but the work-wise will be same for the cloud-based and on-premise CRM as well. So the reason they are introducing two variants is generally whatever the data we are entering, let's say it's a cloud-based, right? It's like a subscription based. Once we choose the product, we have to pay monthly, like whatever they charge. Then we can use the product benefits easily, and the data and all will be managed by Microsoft. Microsoft will maintain the servers and in the cloud, and whatever our business data is there, our business data will store in the Microsoft servers. That servers and infrastructure will and all will be maintained by Microsoft. That is the online CRM or cloud-based CRM. And the CRM, Microsoft also offering another type of CRM, that is on-premise. On-premise CRM means the servers we have to maintain. Let's say I wanted to use CRM, on-premise CRM to run my business. So I have to maintain the servers so that the data will be stored inside my servers under my office premises. So the reason behind, generally if you using the any projects, defense project, they will give much priority to their data. The management will not agree to store their data into the cloud. So usually they will prefer to use on-premise CRM. That's the reason Microsoft offering two variants. And we do have some unique points during our course. And generally, so far we have given training only in the regional people, Telugu language. But this is the first time we are conducting for English. So we do have some assignments actually. We have some unique points. So let me just show you how we will give assignments and how it is tracked.
Ashok, I have a question. Can I ask you now or later at the end?
Yeah, we'll give some time at the end, so you can just note down. We will discuss it last.
Sure.
Hello, sir. Can you share the syllabus, please, for the course, and also the costs involved, please? And are we going to be having the lectures over the weekends and the time when you start?
Stage, right? So let's say I'm going to give assignments on regular basis. So this is for one of our recent batch, completed batch assignments. So by end of our course, you will get almost 500, 400 plus assignments. So in this sheet, we can see almost 140, and we do have other sheets as well for the same batch. So since you are at learning stage, whatever you are doing, you feel like it is correct, but it has to be monitored by expert. Then only you can understand your mistakes. So that's the reason each like you will get some dedicated system for the enrolled students. You will get a dedicated system, our internal system, access to internal system. So you can submit your assignments, completed assignments. Our team will review, and you will also get some comments. So here, let's say this is for sample one. So that you have to submit the assignment here. Once you submit, our team will get notification. They will review, and after completion of the review, you will get the review points as well. Let me just show you the review points. So likewise, what is the assignment and what is the mistake you have done? So everything you will get for each assignment. It will be monitored for each assignment. That's the one of the unique point we have in our course. And by end of our course, you will get almost 3 to 4 years hands-on experience. So our intention is it's like a software, right? As you are going to work in the real-time projects. So theoretical knowledge is not sufficient. You need to have the more on the practical knowledge. That's the reason we will give more importance to the assignments. And we also do resume preparation, and we also give you the interview questions. So let's say I'm going to discuss one of the topic. In the topic, if I have any interview questions or if I have any scenario based questions, in the same day we will discuss. And I will also give you the like practical experience and answer as well. And so I will give you the some professional format resumes. We will help with the professional format resumes at the end of our session. Let me just show you some sample resumes from previous students. So these are the few resumes actually. So we'll help you to create at end of our session in the professional format. So, and also have requested few people from the previous batch to stay to share their feedback and all. Let me just check. Did they join? Did anyone join from previous batch? Anil garu?
Yes, yes, Anil.
Yeah, hi Anil. So Anil
Hi.
is from previous batch. So he will share his feedback, how he is feeling. Like whatever we promised during the demo, are they getting everything or not? Let's see with in his words. Yeah, yes, Andy, please share.
అది తెలుగులో చెప్పండి ఇంగ్లీష్
English, please. Yeah.
ఓకే సో previously I inquired about Dynamics CRM in offline and online so from various institute, but I never found such kind of training before this. Ashok sir is providing excellent training in online. So he's starting the subject level from initial onwards. So he will start from he's explaining every single concept, everything exactly what we work on the practical. Okay, and moreover that the training apart from the training we had a back end support. They are providing backend support for the supporting for the students to get their doubts. So they are giving support on daily 8 hours. They are available. Whatever we get doubts on the system while practicing. So 90% of the they are solving the issues. That is a very good thing. I didn't see before this in any kind of institute like this. So those who want really want to focus on the job. So I will recommend this institute 100%. So Ashok sir is giving daily tasks. You have to complete the task on time. So then we can get real time scenarios, and also we can survive in the company. So without any problems. Okay, and moreover, so so we need to do start practicing from day one onwards only. So you must not delay the task. If you delay the task, it will be getting difficult to complete all the tasks. So make sure we have to complete the task on time. That is a very best thing. And moreover, in this CRM, most of the tasks will covered by only low coding technology. Till now, we have seen till more 60 to 70% without coding, we are practicing the task. So just now we have entered some now JavaScript and plugins. So I will recommend this institute to the others 100%. Okay, so from not only Ashok sir, so we have to focus from our side. We have to keep the efforts as well. That is a thing. Ashok sir is giving 100% to the students. So we should have some real practical working on the those you want to those you want to seriously try to get the job.
Yeah, thank you so much, Andy.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a really
Okay.
grateful. Prem, can you please share your feedback as well? How you are feeling so far?
Yeah, sure, sir. Can I talk in English or Telugu, sir?
Yeah,
Most of the people
English,
belong to
please.
Telugu or English, sir?
English, please. Yeah. English, Prem.
Hello?
English, Prem.
Hello?
English.
Okay, no
Prem.
issue. So, yeah. Are you hearing my voice?
Yes, Prem, I can hear.
Hi, everyone. This is Prem, belong to Tirupati. I strongly recommended this course and because it is very upgraded course. It is integrated with AI and the major key role is mentor. The Ashok sir is he is having very much patience to deliver the subject, and the way of strategy of course is very well and good. Actually, the team every day we have a doubt sessions, around 6 to 8 hours of doubt session they are provided. And moreover, we have a recording sessions also every day. We, for suppose we have a lot of doubts, so we need to sort out by the recording session as well. And team as well, we have a support. And uh, not only for 8 hours, if you have any doubt, so Ashok sir is 24 by 7, he will respond whatever you have a doubt. You just ping the message in WhatsApp, he will respond. And till now, I just joined 1 month back. Till now, I just promise whatever the promises Ashok sir given. I mean, from my side, I'm very much enthusiastic to interest to learn the courses, whatever the Ashok sir deliver the subject. And the this is my feedback observed the past 1 month. So I strongly recommended who are interested to join the Ashok, the Dynamics CRM. So definitely it will helpful your future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Prem. And so we also have the mock interviews actually. So at end of our course, we will have individual sessions, one-to-one sessions. During that individual session, so we'll discuss how you can take your profile in the market. So how to like keep experience and all. So we'll help you in the one-to-one session. And the mock interviews and all, you can check it in our channel. We do have dedicated YouTube channel actually, Ashok Dynamics Technologies, and we have some playlists. So we also posted few successful students feedback after getting job. How did they get job and what are the tips that they have followed? So you can go through with their words actually. And we also have the mock entries here. You can go through. And these are some unique points. And I will show you the current job openings in the Naukari. So let me just show you. So for the freshers, we don't have jo jobs actually in this technology. So you need to go with either minimum of 2 years of experience, 2 or 3. So if you have 3 or 4, you will get more number of calls actually. So let's say you have to use the different keywords. Since it is like it's also one of the software, right? The Naukari, I'm just showing in the Naukari as of now. Naukari also software. So it will work based on how you are searching. So if you just simply search with MS CRM, it won't show proper result. So you have to use the different keywords. I will give you the related keywords. Related to CRM, I will give you the keywords. So let me just search. So I'm going to search with the minimum of 2 years. Let's say I will keep it 3 years now, but now. So we can see the current openings. This one is related to CRM 225, like it is at Infosys. And this is for Wipro. And this is one more 2 to 6 years. And this is one more GY. And yeah, this is one more like 3 to 6. So in the first page only we can see a number of openings. Likewise, we have different pages. We can do the self-explore to identify do we have calls or not. So you can just use the keywords. I will give you the keywords actually. You can simply use those keywords. So our class, once we complete the class, the recorded session will be added here. This is for batch 18. So I will copy this URL. This sheet is accessible to everyone. I will copy this URL in the chat. So you can save this URL, this sheet URL. And also I will copy this URL in the WhatsApp. We have the demo WhatsApp group, right? If anyone not joined, you can ping me in my WhatsApp. So I will share the sheets and all. So we also have the website actually. So in the website, we can see the course index. If you want course index, what are the topics will be covered during our course? You can check it from here. And so this is my WhatsApp number. You can reach. And you may have some common questions. Let me just answer. So what is the course fee? Course fee will be the 25,000 INR. And do we have calls in the current market? Yes, we do have calls. So you need to have minimum 2 to 3 years, and the maximum you can try with up to 4 to 5, because whatever the content we are delivering, it is applicable only up to 4 years or 5 years max. And you can keep other things as a non-relevant. Let's say if you already have industry experience of 8 years or 10 years, so relevant you can go for the 5 years. So remaining you keep it as a non-relevant. So that one I will help you during one-to-one session. And do we have calls for the freshers? No, we don't have calls for the freshers. And do we do real-time projects? Yes, we do real-time projects. 2 real-time projects we will do. And is it suitable for career gap students? Yes, it is suitable, but you need to have minimum 2 years gap. Maximum you can go up to 8 to 10 years. And do we need any coding background? And how much coding skills are required? So no coding background is required. Without coding background also you can try. And we will explain from the scratch, actually from beginner level. Coding related topics also we will deal from the beginner level. So what is the duration of the course and the timings? So timings will be same every day, 9:15 p.m. to 10:15 p.m. IST. And the duration will be 2.5 months. And classes will be Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, we don't have classes, but you will get assignments. So do we get access to the class recordings? Yes, everyday class recordings will be shared after 1 to 2 hours. And how do we clarify our doubts? You will have dedicated doubt sessions, actually. The team will be available from morning almost 10 to evening 8 p.m. You will get almost 7 to 8 hours doubt sessions will be there. And what is the success rate? We do have 50 to 60% success rate. And is it suitable for non-IT students? So generally non-IT students will have some supported IT designations. If we have any of these IT, any of this designation, so you can go for this course. And we also have few more other designations as well. So you can reach out to me personally on this number, so I can help you. Is it suitable or not? And what is the expected package? So it's a depends on if you're already working. It also depends on your current package as well. So we are talking about the Indian market, this one. So in Indian market, let's say if you are going with 3 years of experience, so three into uh, it's a generally start from the 3 into 2. 3 into 2 it's a six LPA, and the maximum it can go up to 3 into 5 times. So the range will be 6 to and 15 in the range, but your current CITC also should be supported. So do we have jobs in MNC companies or normal companies as well? So we do have for this technology, we have jobs in normal companies as well, not only in the MNC. So MNC also we have, and the normal companies also we have. Do we have work from home jobs? No, most of the companies they are looking for hybrid modes. Only 10 to 20% work from home jobs are there at the moment, but the majority of the cases they are looking for hybrid. So I have experience with other domain. I wanted to switch my domain. Am I eligible? Yes, Sandy. So if your current domain is, if you don't have a promising future, so you can switch. It will be helpful, definitely. Yeah, course duration will be 2.5 months. You will get dedicated support for assignments, mock interviews, and resume review. So up to 4 months. After 2.5 months, also additionally you will get 1.5 month support, because if anyone lag in the assignments, also you can go through and all. So it's your responsibility. You have to complete all your assignments within this period. And if you need additional support, let's say after 4 months also, if you are unable to complete the assignments, then if you need additionally doubt session access, you have to re-enroll by paying the 60% of the course fees again. So you have to plan your time. So every day you are expected to spend minimum 2 to 3 hours to practice our assignments. It's a mandatory. Yeah, so that's all about the course. And you will also have the one more free session tomorrow at the same time. So you can join and tomorrow is the last session for last free session, and Monday onwards, so we'll give access to only enrolled participants. If anyone interested to enroll, you can reach out to me on this WhatsApp number. So if anyone have any doubts, we can discuss now. And one more thing, let me just highlight. So we do have websites, and we also have some reviews, students reviews. So you can go through our business profile, what students are saying, our previous students, for your reference. And you can also explore our YouTube channel, what content we are trying to deliver, and how the students are providing their feedback. So after completion, once you join to the course, after completion of 1 month sessions, generally we will take the feedback from the students, and we also take feedback from the students at end of our course as well. So you can see their feedback here. Yeah, so that's all about. I just want to highlight. And if you are trying to enter into IT, and before you enter into IT, I will just give three suggestions. You make sure you choose proper technology, because if you are learning some technology today, and if you are trying to enter today, there are three things you have to check. The current market calls should be strong. You need to have the openings in the current market, and you also need to have promising future for minimum of 5 to 10 years, because you are struggling and learning the technology and entering into IT. If it is outdated within 1 or 2 years, it's useless, right? Again, you have to learn new technology and try for the job. So you make sure you have the promising future. And this Microsoft Dynamics CRM, like it's also integrating with the AI. So even if AI is coming, you no need to worry. It's a added advantage to the this technology. Yeah. So if anyone have any doubts, I can take it now.
Hi, Ashok.
Yeah, hi
Ashok,
Andy.
Yeah, like in the start of the course, you say to us like we will work on this free account, right? In the free
Yes.
account, we will not be having few of the features, right? Like creating user or creating power automate flows, tracking emails, those kind of things. How we will practice those things?
You will get actually. I will give some steps. If you follow that, you will get everything.
Okay. And next is regarding Copilot features. What kind of features that you will explore in this course? Like in one of the project that I know, live bots are being used in the CRM. Those kind of things will be discussed in this course. Or
Yeah. Chatbots we will discuss.
yeah, one more thing. Last one is uh, you showed us like we will submit the what's
Mm.
this assignments, right?
Assignments.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How will you submit those things? Like screenshots or we
No,
will.
no, no. So you have to give your trial CRM. You are going to practice in one of the
Yeah,
trial, right?
yeah.
So that trial CRM credentials you have to submit in the system actually.
Okay.
Okay. So our team will log into your system and review your work. You don't need to submit any screenshot.
Okay. So the trial CRM will be created by us only, or you will create on your Entra ID like that.
Generally, you have to try from your end. I will give some link. You have to follow and try. If it is not working, so I will help you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
yeah,
So
uh,
anyone?
yeah, Shiva here. Like you said, the success rate is about 60%. Do you mean like people who completed your course, 60% of them got placed, or you're
Uh,
referring to?
yeah, so I refer to only the like whatever work we have given, whoever is
Mhm.
completed properly, from them I refer. Let's say if 20 people or 30 people joining today, so
Mhm.
if everyone may follow or may not follow all the assignments, right?
Correct.
Let's say if only 10 people followed or 20 people followed all the assignments and completed all the assignments, from
Mhm.
them we have the 50 to 60% success rate.
Okay. From the, like, I mean, did you ever try to find why other 40% did not get success?
Yeah, that's a different challenges, Andy. It's a depends on
Yeah, yes, I want to understand it. It's like
mm,
even for you, it will be helpful. So just asking, like,
correct, correct. So it may have like a number of reasons. The one is like their lack of some communication problem, or their lack of subject issue. These are the
Mhm.
only two major issues.
Okay, got it. And the other question is like, whoever joins the batch, do they have any uh, a kind of WhatsApp group or something to communicate in between? Like, suppose today and tomorrow you said it will be a trial class, so uh, maybe by the from day after tomorrow onwards, like maybe 30
Yeah,
people are in the batch. So
enrolled
yeah,
students will get a dedicated WhatsApp community group, but which is managed by only our team. You cannot communicate internally. You have to communicate only via the our team only.
yeah, like suppose like if I have a question, and I or somebody have a question, if they are posting it, if I want to answer it in
No,
that,
no,
no, there
because
is, yeah.
we do have the a dedicated doubt session. You can join there and discuss, but not via the WhatsApp. You have to join in the meeting and discuss there.
Okay. Yeah, these were general question. Like from today's session, whatever you told, like I have uh, two technical questions. Can I
Yes,
ask
yes,
those?
yes, please. Yeah.
So when you said like the data fields, like when we are creating form fields, uh, we have to make them mandatory at the entity level. That means at field level, you said, right?
Yes.
So uh, in that case, like if I have a scenario where all the students are created by some agency, suppose there is a SSC board, they are starting this CRM, and there is some agency which they have to enter only the
Yeah, I
students
understand.
all over
So
the
that
schools.
conditional based mandatory we can do. That will be you will get in the further classes.
Okay, that okay, fine. And also like suppose if uh, not only the employees of SSC board, if in case this is a hypothetical question, like if tomorrow schools, every school have some kind of practical marks that we have in intermediate or degree, right? So
Hmm.
like that, if they start that, if each and every school wants to uh, give their inputs or give their marks, like can they do that, or they should get registered as a user of that system?
Yeah, so there are one more advantage with the CRM. We can also provide access to the public as well.
Mm.
Like there is a concept called Power Portals. So using
Okay.
that Power Portal concept, we can achieve these kind of things. So that one will covered in the Power Portal concept.
Okay. Yeah. Just I was when I was going through that
Mm,
example, I got these
got it.
questions.
Got it.
Yeah. Thanks, Ashwin.
Okay, thanks, Andy. Anyone have any more doubts?
Sir,
Yes, Shubha.
సార్ అది ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేశా కదా, ట్రయల్ అకౌంట్ నాకు
Yeah,
ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది.
trial account, I will help you. You already enrolled, right? So
ఎస్.
for this batch, by the way, few people already enrolled. I think 7 to 8. So I will help you with the trial CRM creation tonight or tomorrow. I will give you. Anybody have any more doubts?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi, Andy.
As you mentioned that little like 30% would be coding will be there. So, what all languages we can be expected in that coding to be involved?
JavaScript and C Sharp.
Okay, and it will be from the like scratch or something, or it should be like we should have or at least like basics to be known or something.
So we'll discuss from the scratch. No need to worry. Even if you don't know, also
Okay.
that's fine. The concepts will be discussed from the scratch. We will deal the basic things as well.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And one more question, like, how do I join, like upcoming tomorrow session, like the one more session, because I'm not in the WhatsApp group, demo
Uh,
WhatsApp group. So,
so you just ping me in my WhatsApp number. So I will give you that demo group.
okay, sir. Thank
I
you.
will give some demo joining link.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
What kind
And
of positions can we apply for with this course?
so Microsoft, like I will give you some here in this sheet. We have some keywords actually. So basically, it is for the Microsoft Dynamics CRM, Microsoft Dynamics CRM technical consultant, and you can also try with for the functional consultant, and you can also try for the testing, like manual testing will be there for the CRM projects. You can
Okay.
try for that, and if you have good communication skill, you can try for the business analyst as well. And there are few more roles actually, L1, L2, L3 support roles. So you can try for that 3 roles as well by completion of our course.
Okay. Yeah, this Microsoft Dynamics will both CRM and ERP be covered in this course?
No, only actually, Microsoft Dynamics will have the multiple tools. So everything will be under the Dynamics platform, like ERP and the CRM. CRM we also call it as customer engagement, and also the F&O, finance and operations, and ACM. So likewise, we have the different products under the Dynamics platform, but everything is like individual. So we are going to learn about the CRM, and so the CRM projects is different, and ERP projects is different, and F&O projects is different. We will deal only CRM here, CRM related stuff.
How can we choose the particular positions?
Like the job roles are different. Let's say if you're learning, let's say you're learning the .NET. Do you join .NET related roles or Java related role? You'll choose only .NET related role, right?
There is number of positions are there, no? In CRM only. I am talking about CRM only.
In CRM, all the positions you can apply, but
Yeah, different job roles will be there, right?
just now I highlighted, right? Like you can apply for the technical consultant or functional consultant or manual testing or L1, L2, L3 support roles.
Yes.
Yeah, these things you can apply.
How can we choose those particular role? The based on our practice or based on
Okay, I got it. Let's say if you're good with the technology, technically if you're strong, the first preference is technical consultant, because technical consultant you will get the more number of calls. So if you're somewhat weak in the technically, so you can go for the other roles,
yeah.
functional consultant or like L1, L2, L3 support roles. L1, L2, L3 support roles, you don't get any development activity. It's like managing the system. So
Okay.
that's easy for you. If you are weak in the technically, you can choose these roles.
Yeah. Actually, and salary dependence that roles also, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Anybody else?
Yeah,
Oh,
hi.
Yeah,
Hi,
hi.
sir.
Yes,
Sir, do
Rakesh.
we have any admin separate and development separate course in this?
No, Andy, everything will be covered. We don't have a separate position for the admin. The admin related activities are very minimal. Developer can do admin related activities as well if it is cloud based.
Okay, thank you.
oh, hi Ashok.
Yeah, hi, Andy.
Today, as we have discussed, like entertainment fields, right?
Hmm.
So, in common scenario, entertainment means tables and fields means columns, right?
Right.
So, in SQL also, we will create tables and attach some columns, right? So,
Yes.
what is the difference between in that creating tables in SQL and creating tables in CRM?
The purpose is same. In the SQL, what is the purpose? You just you will store the business data, right? In
Yes,
the SQL. The
yes.
purpose is same. There is no difference. So SQL is nothing but it's some other project. We are dealing with the .NET or any other projects. We have to create tables and fields in the SQLs. But if you're dealing with the CRM, you have to create it as entities and fields. That's the only difference. But the
Okay,
backend purpose is same.
okay.
Hi,
So
Ashok.
yeah, hi Andy.
I have one doubt. You have created one entity, right? Like SSC marks.
Yeah,
It is not come under like sales, right?
it's showing under sales only, right?
Yes, but it is not related to sales, right? Like
Yeah, yeah.
business.
So yeah, correct. It's not related to sales. So it's only for the navigation's purpose I highlighted. But usually you will have some model driven apps. In the further classes, you will understand the purpose. So just since it is a day one class, for me just show under the sales. That is fine. Where to add and all you will get in the further classes.
No, that I think what he's asking is it's not the CRM domain. Does it come under CRM domain, the example that you're using?
Uh, Sorry, is that correct? What
No,
you're
no. The
expecting?
example, the example that you're using, does it come under CRM domain, like customer relation management, right? CRM means so the example that you have taken, uh, SSC marks uh, or SSC mark sheet, that is nowhere related to the CRM domain, right?
Yeah,
Like
not.
maybe like Ashok, what question maybe like we have these quotes, opportunities, orders, right, in CRM.
Yeah, these are sales related. So basically, the thing is the sales related entities, their out of the box entities are there. Leads and opportunities and quotes, orders. These are all things are there. Usually, when you are working in the real time projects, like I mentioned, Microsoft is giving some ready-made tool. Ready-made tools means they already have some generic features related to sales and service. So 99% we will use the generic features. On top of it, we will customize. So like I taken one example initially, if I take the ready-made shed, I will dismantle that complete shed. I will go for the new shed, or I will just customize the existing shed only, right? Similar way, we'll customize the existing entities only. But directly, if I explain the customizing those existing entities and all, the flow and all, you're not clear at the day one class. So you will get confused. That's a reason I'm trying to make you comfortable with the system first. I'm showing you how to create entities, fields, and once we are familiar with the system, then we will enter into the real-time projects. So we'll use the out-of-the-box entities that are generic features. That is how the plan will be. Is that clear, Rakesh?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. Anybody have any more doubts?
Yeah, Ashok, and what would be our regular timings, regular classes timings?
Timings will be same 9:15 to 10:15 IST PM.
PM. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So
So
anybody
the
have?
technical consultant comes under developer, right?
Yes,
Or
Andy. Developer only.
Okay. But what about the techno-functional?
Techno-functional will involve both functional and technical development part and also
This
the
course will
functional.
cover techno-functional, only technical.
Techno-functional also you can apply.
I mean, actually, I understand what a technical person will do, like what a functional person will do, like here.
It
So
depends on the actually. Yeah.
generally technical consultant they will customize the product. They will do like a developer related activities. So functional consultant they will do document related like they will discuss with the business users and understand the business requirements, and they will arrange some workshops regarding the product, and also they will prepare some documents, functional specification documents. So these kind of stuff very minimal, every like any graduate can do. But if you want to work as a functional consultant, you need to have some understanding about the system. So if you're learning about the technical stuff, definitely you will have understanding about the system. So functional consultant job will be easy. It's not a big deal for you if you have good command on the product.
Yeah. Can I take it like this? Like there will be 85% or 90% or 90 to 95% roles will be almost kind of technical or technical and functional, and only 5 to 10% there will be a pure functional consultant role uh, when it comes to dynamic CRM.
Yeah, not only in CRM, for any kind of technology, developer will have the more number of calls. Let's say 70 to 80% will have calls to the developers. So functional consultant and other roles will have the less number of calls compared with the technical.
Okay.
So anybody have any more doubts?
Yeah, like you have worked on real-time projects, right? So from your experience, like this technology requires low code only, or we may require more of coding.
So the target is it's like a minimal coding, very very low coding. Actually, there is a Power Apps concepts are there. So if you, Power Apps concepts already introduced actually. So it's a completely code-free technology. So if you are using the if it is a Power Apps related project, so we can use minimal coding. Let's say I can say 10% only, remaining all non-coding.
So most of the real-time requirements will be covered by low code only, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay,
Like,
thank you.
do we need any kind of JavaScript experience? I mean,
Like prerequisite not required. If you already have JavaScript experience, that added advantage to you. We will discuss from
okay.
the basics in our course, but it's a required actually. Some basics are required.
Good. And Vishwa, one more thing, like if you are a business owner, like why do you choose Microsoft Dynamics CRM over the competitors like Salesforce and SAP and Oracle? Is there any added advantage to the, a client?
Yeah, definitely, Andy. So generally, if you are running a business, so you may have some integrated related applications. You have to use it, right? To collaborate with internally, you may use Teams or so if you want to promote your brand, you have to use some marketing related applications. So those applications you need to have some integration with the system. Let's say I'm using the Dynamic CRM. I have some marketing strategies from the other system. If you have easy integration with the CRM, definitely you will choose the Microsoft Dynamics CRM only. So kind of added advantages are there over the other competitors. That's a reason as of today, the current market. So Microsoft CRM is the first is Salesforce actually. Second one is the Microsoft Dynamics CRM is the leading. But Salesforce in with regards the developer, the coding and all, I can say like I'm not familiar with the Salesforce CRM, but as per my previous conversation with the Salesforce people, compare with Microsoft Dynamics, they do have much coding.
Yes, I understand. And one more thing, Ashok, like, uh, let's say what kind of business domain will use Microsoft Dynamics
Any
CRM?
kind of business, it will work actually. Healthcare or manufacturing, banking. So small to large scale, any kind of business we can use it. But in fact, for my business also, I'm using CRM only. Let's say, like I mentioned, you have to use some system, internal system to submit your assignments, right? This one
Yes.
also CRM product only, whatever you are using.
Nice. And like, are we going to integrate with Azure, Microsoft Azure, or else some other cloud platform?
Some of the integration related stuff we will do, not which are not related to Azure. By using
Okay.
Power Automate Flow, we will do integrations.
Okay. Yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Anybody
Hi,
have
sir.
it?
Yeah, I have
Yeah,
one
hi.
question. So currently we're doing a CRM based training now. So in future, if there is any opening related to ERP, so does this training help, or do we need to do a separate training?
Separate training you have to go actually. Like I mentioned, if you are learning about .NET, you have to choose .NET related projects. If you are if you want to apply Java, you have to learn again. So these two are two different platforms, two different tools, or two different technologies. I can say completely different.
And the other one is related to the Power Platform. So we have many modules in the Power Platform. So do you gonna cover all of them, or any specific to the Dynamic 365?
Related Dynamic 365 we will cover to Dynamic CRM.
Okay, like when I saw them, I was exploring some of the videos related to the Dynamic 365. So they were using Power Platform. In Power Platform, we have Power Pages, Power Automate.
Correct, we will cover. So
Uh,
we'll cover the Power Portals and the Power Automate flows, Canvas apps, model driven apps. So these things we will cover.
okay, thank you, Ashok.
And I
Yeah.
strongly believe that, like, we don't need to learn anything out of the index, whatever you provided, right?
Yeah, if you're going for only 4 years or max 5 years, that is enough.
Okay. Like, yeah. Okay, thank you.
So anyone have any more doubts?
Yeah, sure. Like from your experience, like these MSCRM related projects, are they like long-term projects, or like every 6 months we need to find a new project?
No, Andy. So the point is the target is it's for the large scale of business usually. So for single user, they have to pay 5,000 rupees in INR. So if you're taking for any business, usually they will have a number of business users, right? Each one they need to have a separate license. So separate license means the cost is more. So usually it's a target to large scale of business. Large scale of business will use it. So generally large scale business will have the duration will be high, right?
Okay.
So it's not like a 6 months. We will have long term actually.
Yeah, thank you.
So anybody have any more doubts? Yeah, if not, let's wind up for today. Thank you. So tomorrow we will join the same link. So I will share the link via the WhatsApp group. If anyone doesn't have WhatsApp group, you just ping me in my WhatsApp number. So I will help you.
Yeah, Ashok, a last question, like, do you have any morning batches or only late evening batch?
Of morning match we will have, but which may start in the November after 15.
Okay, got it.
Morning
Yeah,
it will be around 8 to 9.
okay.
Yeah. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank